Oh my God, you guys, you are not gonna believe what I just found. Thomas is real. Wow, look at that thing. The front chassis is completely gone, taken over.
He's holding on in there though.
Yeah, with a smile. Look at that moss.
Keep it steady. Look at the webs. They're ancient. Careful with the chassis. Keep it steady. Almost through. Okay, I'm watching the pressure.
All right, just a little more. Careful now. Got it, got it. Stand clear. Whoa, that's... The tension feels right. Let's check for cracks. Looks solid. All right, let's get this old bolt out.
There, much better. Now for the new one.
Secure and shining bright. The tension is good. The leaves are stacked perfectly. I'll check the other side. Still too much play here. I need to tighten this bearing. Airtight. Perfect. Now let's open this up and let some of that forest air in. Perfect flatness on these, solid as a rock, looks ready to roll. All right, new blades on. Let's give it a test run. Perfect. On to the next job.
Move slowly.
Copy that. We're making progress.
All right, easy does it. Slow and steady. Lower, lower. Good, bring it down. Hold it right there. Now center it. Slow push, you're good. Perfect.
right, together now, push hard.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's not moving, let's try again.
Damn it, it's stuck tight.
All right, let's blast this stuff out. See all that rust and lead? Keep going. Almost clear now, just a little more.
Deep within the ancient, time-forgotten forests, a blue legend lies dormant beneath layers of moss and rust. This is
All
not
right,
just
Thomas,
the
we'll
story
get you
of
fixed
an
up.
old steam
Don't worry,
locomotive,
the worst is
but
over.
the journey
Just
of
a few more
reviving a
checks.
childhood icon that lost its light decades
The primer
ago.
is absolutely
We
perfect.
begin with the
Not a
first
dent or
steps
speck of
in
rust left
exploring
anywhere
the
on
ruins,
Thomas. The surface
where
check
every
passed
peeling
with flying
paint and
colours.
every cobweb in
Quality
the cockpit
approved.
tells
Time for you to wake up, old friend. Wow, that's perfect. Amazing work.
All right, one last check. Looking perfect. Ready for the big reveal. All right, just one more link. Perfect. Looks good, boss. Nice and tight. Let's give it a test. It's alive! The whistle works! We did it! All right, Thomas, time to roll. Full steam ahead, Thomas. Yes, yes, let's get back to work.
Welcome back, Thomas.
It's so good to see you.
Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here.
Keep it steady. Safe zone.
Axle temperature looks good. Everything is stable here.
Ah, that's better. Finally getting some more water in the old tank.
Brake shoes holding steady. Looking good after the journey.
Right, checking the plunger now. Okay, it's measuring 81 millimeters. The wear is getting pretty bad.
All right, let's replace this cracked headlight glass.
Careful now, don't scratch the brass.
Perfect, a brand new lens.
Of a bygone golden age. From the moment high-pressure water jets blast away millennia of mud, to the hammer blows and blazing welding flames in the restoration workshop, the Thomas locomotive gradually sheds its old coat to reveal its proud steel frame. Meticulously and persistently, the hands of the craftsman breathe life into every bolt, polish every tarnished brass.
All systems check. Ready for the day. Let's go!
Perfect fit.
Nice and bright.
Ready for inspection.
You look perfect, Thomas. We did it!
Yes, sir. I feel strong again.
Keep pushing, Thomas, we're almost there. The gradient is steep, but the engine is powerful. We'll make it to the top, driver.
The bridge is too old for this weight. We need to stop immediately. But I have to cross.
The temperature is still dangerously high. The paint held up perfectly, but the core heat dissipation is a concern.
Understood. Log it. Keep monitoring. Perfect. Just like that. Looks full. Let's finish the polish. checking the seal.
Looking good in here. Gauges are dry.
Let's hit the bottom edge.
Pass the test. Solid seal.
The tension gauge is clamped. Engage the valve. Slow and steady now. Precise to the last increment. Lock engaged. The tension holds.
Look, it's him. Isn't he magnificent? Unbelievable. He's a legend.
Is that better up there?
Rusty tail, and coat the hull with a mirror-like ocean blue paint. When the first steam whistle shatters the silence of the warehouse, the steel heart of the Thomas locomotive begins to beat again. We will follow Thomas as he traverses fields of violent purple avenue, conquers treacherous slopes, and proudly glides under the glorious sunset, proving that with love and masterful craftsmanship, no beauty is lost forever. And every legend deserves a chance to shine once more on the road.
All aboard. Next stop, the seaside. Looking good, Thomas. Keep her steady. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Thomas.
Goodbye, Thomas. Have a great journey.
Welcome aboard, everyone. The journey awaits.